In this video, we'll explore 27 essential English words that you must know to excel in exams and daily conversations. These words are categorized based on their similar meanings, making them easier to learn and remember. Don't miss previous videos. Category 1, Verification and Approval. Let's begin with verify, to check or confirm that something is true. 1. Verify, to check or confirm that something is true. For example, the police will verify his alibi. 2. Confirm, to establish that something is correct. The manager confirmed the meeting time. 3. Attest, to provide evidence or testify that something is true. The witness attested to the suspect's presence. 4. Validate, to prove something is valid. The professor validated the student's research findings. Let's move to Category 2, Legitimacy and Invalidity. 5. Invalidate, to make something no longer valid. His cheating invalidated his exam results. 6. Invalid, not legally or logically acceptable. The contract was declared invalid. 7. Valid, legally or logically acceptable. A valid passport is required for travel. 8. Endorse, to officially support something. The celebrity endorsed a new brand. 9. Ratify, to officially confirm a decision. The government ratified the trade agreement. Now, we enter the realm of truthfulness and testimony in Category 3. 10. Testify, to give evidence in a legal setting. The witness testified about what she saw. 11. Veracity, the quality of being truthful. The journalist questioned the politician's veracity. 12. Seal, to officially approve. The deal was sealed with a handshake. Let's discuss revocation in Category 4. 13. Revoke, to officially cancel something. His license was revoked after violations. 14. Abrogate, to formally end a law. The government abrogated the outdated law. 15. Repeal, to officially revoke a law. The new administration repealed previous policies. 16. Annul, to declare something legally void. The marriage was annulled due to legal issues. 17. Negate, to nullify something. His apology did not negate the harm done. 18. Counteract, to act against something. Drinking water helps counteract dehydration. 19. Thwart, to prevent or obstruct something. The police thwarted the robbery attempt. Entering Category 5, Thinking and Understanding. 20. Conceive, to form an idea. The inventor conceived a new way to generate electricity. 21. Conceivable, possible to imagine. It is conceivable we will discover life on other planets. 22. Devise, to create a plan. The team devised a new strategy for the competition. 23. Envision, to visualize a future event. She envisioned herself as a successful author. 24. Take in, to absorb information. The students took in the lecture with interest. 25. Comprehend, to fully understand something. He struggled to comprehend the complex theory. 26. Ascertain, to find out with certainty. The detective tried to ascertain the truth about the case. Finally, we conclude with Category 6, Reality and Tangibility. Tangible, something that can be touched. The company offered tangible benefits. Which of these words do you find the most useful? Comment below and subscribe for daily lessons.